Hands-on activity, a key to practical learning. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore a fantastic way to learn through hands-on activity. This method isn't just reading or listening. It's about diving in and getting your hands dirty, quite literally. So, if you're ready to understand what hands-on activity means and how it can transform your learning, let's get started. Hands-on activity refers to learning by doing. Instead of just listening to a lecture or reading a textbook, hands-on learning involves active participation and direct involvement in the task. Think of it like learning to swim by jumping into the pool rather than just reading about the strokes. It's about engaging with the material, experimenting, and problem-solving in real time. Hands-on activities are more than just fun. They are incredibly beneficial. Here's why. Retention. When you physically engage in a task, your brain is more likely to remember the experience. Engagement. Hands-on tasks are often more interesting and can keep you focused for longer. Understanding. Doing something yourself can lead to a deeper understanding of the subject. Skill development. Practical tasks allow you to develop valuable skills that are transferable to real-world situations. Let's look at some examples. In science classes, conducting experiments in a lab. In language learning, practicing conversation with native speakers. In art classes, painting or sculpting something yourself. In cooking lessons, preparing the dishes rather than just reading the recipes. Incorporating hands-on activities into learning isn't hard. Here are some tips. Start small. You don't need a huge project. Even small tasks can be effective. Be prepared to make mistakes. Hands-on learning often involves trial and error, and that's okay. Seek feedback. Share your work with others to get constructive feedback and improve. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what hands-on activity means and how beneficial it can be for your learning journey. Remember, the essence of hands-on learning is to engage, experience, and evolve. So, why not give it a try in your next learning endeavor? Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you implement hands-on activities in your learning process.